Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to slay this hairstyle on a budget at the comfort of your home. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for the continued support. Make sure you like this video, share, and also comment down below. So now this is how my hair looked when I started. So what I'm doing is I'm going in with the Afro comb to leave out some hair that I'm going to use to make the bangs at the front. So just go in with the Afro comb, divide the hair. Yes, I think that's a good amount of hair to leave out. And then just to separate it from the rest, I just plaited it. I made it into one braid to secure it from the rest of the hair.
If it's small and tiny, don't you cry, baby. Even if it's small as shit, because
And then I just went in with this hairbrush just to make sure that the hair is well brushed and straight so that it's easier to put it in a ponytail. And then I added a little more gel at the front and also at the back. So be generous with the gel, guys. If you want it to last a couple more days, if you don't want to do this every single morning, be very generous with the gel.
because chips and fries, they'll never taste so good.
And then I go in with this mini hair curl that I got from Jumia. It's only 500 shillings. You can check it on the Jumia app, but it's really nice and it does the job well. And then this bonding glue is what I'm going to be using to install the hair extensions. Remember guys, the hair extensions are from an old wig. So if you have an old wig and you don't want to throw it out, you can use the hairs from it to actually achieve this look. So just go in with the bonding glue and apply it on the hair extensions. If they are too long, if you want to adjust them to a size that's going to fit your bangs, just use scissors to trim.
Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it sweet. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it sweet. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it sweet. Let's treasure baby deep inside right now. Make it sweet. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make us wait. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us wait. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us wait. Let's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us wait. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your eyes. Ooh. You're perfect just like this.
Guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, it looks really, really good. You can try this at home. Don't let that old wig go into waste. Thank you for watching.